Instead of servicing my car, Spotto and the boys chucked a massive flame kit on my free Ford Falcon. It still needs to be serviced though, but you know, it is what it is. I've used the flame kit to light a cigarette and even a pair of 2 Savage glasses. Use code Richie for a discount at checkout. But unfortunately, the other night, the Ford spat its last flame. But luckily, these flame kits are supposed to be super easy to change out the spark plug. Upon further inspection, I found out that I actually blew out the spark plug that's less than 6 months old because this thing spits literally massive flames over 1.5 meters long. But luckily, the spark plug is supposed to be super easy to change out. And that's what we're gonna do in this video. Hopefully, it'll be very easy and we'll change out the spark plug. So I've come here to my local Felix and to see if he can fix it. Felix, can you fix it?
I hope so.
He hopes so. No, you're supposed to say, yes, I can.
Yeah.
Yes, I can. Yes, he can. All right, guys, now it's time for my favorite part of the video where Felix fixes it. Yeah, all right. All right, let's go and see if Felix can actually fix it. So we've had a look at what spark plug it uses and we've gotten the model number and here it is. It's a normal iridium spark plug, but I almost dropped it. Damn, that was really close. Don't drop it. But Felix and the boys at South Perth Tyre Power have hooked me up with a cheaper price. Damn, look at Cameron, he rocked up. And also, what are you wearing? Damn, look at the white. Damn, look at that, the white embroidery Chatterbox shirt.
I just found it on the side of the road, eh?
Yeah, damn, and it's so white. Yeah, I know. So clean.
Where do they get the Chatterbox shirts from?
Where do they get it from? They get it from the link in the description.
Chatterbox.shop.
Chatterbox.shop. The site is now live. Damn, rocking the Chatterbox merch. If you guys don't know, I did make merch. Chatterbox.shop. It's all about spreading love, positivity, and mental health awareness. And what better way to do that than with matching outfits? So go and grab something. Use code CHATTER10 for a discount. And also, if you guys want some cool ass Sunnies, 2 Savage glasses, we are sponsored by them. Use code Richie for a discount. 2 Savage, thank you. We're about to lift up the car so we can get a good look at this damn spark plug that blew its last flame. So now that we have the car up on the hoist, this is what a normal spark plug looks like. Right here, we've got the gap there, and it looks like this. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what this spark plug looks like. It has completely been destroyed. The gap has been made into a goddamn gorge. Look at that. Yuck. But also, I have been lying to you guys. We did try and change out the spark plug about a week ago, but we ran into a massive problem. So to change out the spark plug should have been really easy. Undo this plug here and unscrew the old spark plug. It's now unable to come out, so we had to try and grip on really tight to pull it out, and we ended up snapping it. So Felix, what are we doing today?
Yeah.
He's gonna fix it.
I'm gonna try.
He's gonna try and drill it out and yeah, see how we go.
That is so blunt. All right. It's doing something. I should really drill a pilot hole.
I was gonna say, drill a pilot.
It's given a 0 today.
Felix is tired. All right, so while Felix is drilling that pilot hole in there, I've taken Cameron out here to show you guys a quick run through his car reckons. His own little catchphrase. So run me through some stuff you've done to your car. Look at the camera because the mic is right there.
Okay. No, it's so I bought it stock a couple of years ago. Yeah, over the time I just done exhaust intake and then I took it to the boys at Monster Talk and yeah, get some bigger turbo, intercooler piping, fucking head studs, valve springs, you know, this typical Barra shit.
Yeah, typical Barra.
Yeah, it's pushing close to 600 horsepower now.
Damn, and you got a ghost cam in there, sounds pretty sick.
Yeah, it's pretty sick, yeah.
Sounds pretty sick. What exhaust do you have? Because the note sounds so nice.
Yeah, it's an Ultrex turbo back 4-inch. It's still got the high flow cat in it, so yeah, it's not too obnoxious, but that's what I like. But it's got a external wastegate if I want to have some fun. So
nice.
Yeah.
Damn, look at you go. You're a fancy little car guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, does it get the girls or the guys?
No comment.
Just the guys. Speaking of guys, hello. Hey, bro.
What's up, man?
It's Ethan. Ethan's here. You guys know Ethan from the photo shoot video. He took some dope ass shots, and we're here just chilling, watching Felix do the work. Because you guys brought white shirts to work on a car.
I'm not working on the car. Fuck that.
All right, let's go and show Felix some love.
A few moments later.
So Richie's gone to go get shit for his, he's gone to get grinding discs and drill bits, but he asked me to film some stuff and I was like, I don't have anything to film. And he was like, oh, well, while the car's on the hoist, sounds like every customer I ever get, and his bumper fitment's trash. So we've got a bit of a gap there, 2 fingers, no worries. And this one, nothing. Shit's nothing. And I was like, I won't lie, shit's bent, but I don't know, I'll have a look at it, so we'll pull it down. Bro's got like 2 bolts supporting.
Yeah, that is a bit criminal, mate. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's pretty shocking. This is probably a little bit bent. It's just me or DeBarras sit to the side. What do you reckon? That motor's not central, eh?
Yeah, no way. That's definitely to the right.
Look at the intake. We still haven't fixed that.
Nice.
It's disconnected.
Nice.
Like, look at this big floppy thing.
Maybe we can fix that. How long is that going to take?
I'm not doing it. Bro, you think that's not on the job card? It's not on the job card.
2 hours later.
All right, so we're finally
2 hours
back.
later.
2 hours. All I'm gonna say is, I'm not gonna say much, Cameron. We're not gonna say much.
It's fucking bullshit.
But it's absolute bull dust. Trying to find a M14 nut that is 1.25 thread, impossible. We went all over Perth. Super cheap
You look
Autobahn.
fucking scarred. He looks.
Yeah.
I'm fucking over it.
Super cheap Autobahn. No one has anything. So, proper solution. We have the cutting discs here. I'll hand this one to you, sir. So, what we're going to do, instead of trying to change the nut, we're going to change the spark plug. So, we've gotten a smaller spark plug, found the thread pattern. It is a M10 by 1.25. Sorry, M12 by 1.25. We're going to use lug nuts, basically, but open-ended. We're going to cut them in half, and that's going to work, because that's what Felix said.
Lug nuts is criminal.
Yeah, criminal. And you know what? Hate me if you want. Thank you,
Yo.
Seth from Super Cheap
Big up,
in,
man.
where are we? Vic Park?
East Victoria Park.
East Vic Park. Thank you, brother. Honestly, this guy helped us out. I think we were there for like 40 minutes. Okay, so the plan, real quick, is what Felix is going to do is we're going to leave this old spark plug in there. And it's just going to sat in there and it's probably going to be exploded through the flames anyway. And then we're going to connect the new spark plug through a new hole on the other side. The same spot, just on the other side, and then connect it. And that's it. We're not going to mess around with trying to cut it or whatever. Also, I paid $6 for those
That's a problem
discs.
for another day.
No, because the flames will destroy the plug.
Yes. See.
It'll just melt the plug.
See, when you're behind them driving later, it's going to come flying out straight into your front bar.
Yeah. Oh, maybe we'll get a chisel and we'll just like bang.
We tried that.
Oh shit.
This will be just in time before Monday, mate. Surely.
Oh, we gotta watch the cars too.
Oh, fuck.
This guy. All right, Felix, what are you doing here?
I'm drilling holes, baby.
What hole are you? Where are you drilling this hole?
Behind the old one. So,
What do you mean? Why don't we go from the other side?
because I don't want that wire to melt. So, this cable...
Can we not stick it up?
We can stick it up, but the issue I've got is the spark plug will stick out to about there.
Yeah.
And that's...
Why don't we drill this?
Not ideal. But
The
you know,
shield.
it's got tension, so if we're all the way up here, we're all the way up here, I'm not going to be able to drill that. So, easiest way to do it is going to be right here.
Right behind.
Right behind.
Okay.
And yes, it does fit. We have tested.
We have?
Yep.
Okay.
So it's ready to go.
Okay, that's a good plan. I like that. Just really quickly, I want people to know just how much effort actually goes into these videos. This might be maybe a 10-minute video, but we started at 11:30. It's 2:47. And we are not even where we need to be. Not even close. And we are planning to go to a meet after this and watch the cars. That's why the guys are here, because we were going to chill. And it's just been stress after stress. So, if you guys are enjoying the episode and watching us struggle, if you like watching us in pain, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Show some support. It literally costs you nothing. I know I go on about too savage and using my promo code, but if you don't have any money and you do want to show some support, just like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the algorithm out so much. We are so close to hitting 20K on YouTube as well, which is massive. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if you're enjoying the episode, do it. I looked straight at it. I looked straight at it. I should have put my 2 savages on. So after about a week and a half, Felix here has worked his ass off today, and we're going to test the flame kit to see if it works again.
We'll see.
Hopefully it does.
If it doesn't, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, and if it doesn't, we're going to throw it in the bin and I'm going to give it to one of you guys. All right, let's boogie. Let's have a look.
Kick it, Richie.
All right.
We're back on, boys.
Flame? Yeah, baby! Woo! Was it long?
It was decent.
It was decent, yeah.
About there for now.
Okay, yeah, for now, she'll be back to what she was before. God, that is warm. If you guys liked the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you to Felix. Thank you to the boys for coming along. Let us know what you guys want to see next. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.